Okay, so I just have each one of the elements highlighted, so not a big deal, but we want to go ahead and notice that we want to solve for a variable. So it says solve for, okay, just a little bit too thick of a line here, so let me erase that real quick. We want to solve for x and y. Well, we know that if I have an equal sign right here, that corresponding elements are equal. So what that means is this 4x plus 5 is in the same spot as this 21. So I can go through here and I can say 4x plus 5 is equal to 21. I can also say that this 2y right here, or negative 2y, is equal to this guy right here. So I can set up two different equations just to solve for each individual variable, because I know corresponding elements are equal to each other if the equal sign is in between them. Okay, and then I just solve for x. So x is going to equal 4, and negative 2y is, I'm going to subtract the 3 is negative 15. I'm going to subtract a y from both sides, and I get a negative 3y is equal to negative 15. Y is equal to 5. So y is 5 and x is 4. If we plugged them back in, boom, we'd see that we got the right answers. Okay, so that's it. So corresponding elements are equal to each other if there's an equal sign between the two matrices. If I want to find negative 3b, okay, think about what you would do. Okay, and then I'm going to, and go for it. Pause the video, see if your intuition is correct. I'm going to say majority of you, your intuition is going to be correct. Okay. Pause the video, try and solve the problem without even me doing it. So as you can see here with the answer on the board, the negative 3b is just telling me to take every single individual element and multiply it by negative 3. This is called scalar multiplication. I'm basically increasing every term by a factor of 3, okay, and also making it negative. Okay, so I'm changing the scale. Everything's growing by 3. Okay, and then so we can go through here, and the math is simple, right? Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Negative 3 times 9 is negative 27. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, so on and so forth. And that's how we would perform scalar multiplication on a matrix. This is different than matrix multiplication, which we'll do in our next section. So you cannot confuse these two. So we have scalar multiplication, and then we also have multiplication of matrices, which are two different things. Okay? So once again, pretty straightforward stuff. Make sure you're watching the videos and working the practice problems just to get these skills down. Okay? And then we'll have another video with a couple more things on it.